Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Just a few weeks ago, we made some videos about Baseus 100 watts and 30 watts power banks. And unlike the previous two models, we got a 20 watts magnetic power bank today. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, it's still pretty compact. The Baseus logo and 20 watts are printed at the top, flip to the back. The specs info in different languages are printed on the back. Open the box and take it out. It contains some cartoon stickers, documents, a short dual USB-C cable especially designed for power bank, and the power bank itself. Take it out from the plastic bag. It adopts a matte shell with rounded corners and edges. The front is printed with 20 watts, and the other side is covered with non-slip silicone. The phone can be attracted to the annular groove area for wireless charging. A power button, a USB-C port, and an LED power indicator are at the bottom. The output info are printed around the USB-C port. The complete specs info are printed on the side, model is PPCXM10. The USB-C port can support up to 18 watts input and 20 watts output. The wireless charging can be up to 15 watts. You can charge two devices at the same time, but the power will be limited to 12 watts, and it has passed different certifications. A Baseus logo is on the other side. The size of the power bank is about 104 by 69 by 20 mm, and the weight is about 206 grams. Use it to charge the brand new iPhone 14 Pro. The pop-up animation can be triggered, and it won't fall off even if we just grab the power bank. Then let's go ahead and test the protocols. The ChargerLab PowerZ KM002C shows the USB-C supports FCP, AFC, QC 3.0, PD 3.0, PPS, QC4+, Apple 2.4 amp, and Samsung 5 volts 2 amp protocols. And it also has 3 fixed PDOs of 5 volts 3 amp, 9 volts 2.2 amp, 12 volts 1.5 amp, and a set of PPS. The next step is to take it apart completely to see what's components inside. Use a spider to pry along the gap and remove the back cover. There are a lot of magnets on the charging coil to attract the phone. Disconnect the flat cable from the back cover. There is a small PCB at the end of the flat cable. A whole element for mobile phone detection is on the small PCB and adopts SOT23 package. Remove all the screws that fix the module and take out the PCBA module and the battery pack. The charging coil is above the battery pack and is pasted the black film, and the thermistor is attached to the battery with tape and glue. Disconnect the PCBA module from battery pack, and then separate the charging coil from the PCBA module. It integrates two battery cells that are connected in parallel and form the battery pack. Each one is 5,000 mAh, 3.85 volts. The battery size is 76 by 60 by 6.7 mm. Tear off the red tape. We found the positive and negative are protected by red tape and heat-resistant tape. A heatsink is soldered on the front of the PCBA module, and a thermal pad is under it. Remove the heatsink from the module. The buck boost inductor, mass control chips, USB-C connector are soldered on the front, and the battery protection IC and some capacitors are soldered on the back. The mass control chip is from Ismartware SW6201, a highly integrated multi-protocol bidirectional fast-charging IC for power bank. It can support a variety of fast-charging protocols and up to 4 ports. Here is a 2.2 microhenry inductor. The solid capacitor for output filtering is from CapXon, 470 microfarad, 60 volts. Those two MOSFETs are used for power supply control, marked with 8203. As you can see, the USB-C connector is orange. The mass control chip of the wireless charging integrates a full bridge circuit and is marked with 6LS34. The Resonant capacitor is from Kyet ZZEC series, used for wireless charging, 0.4 microfarad, 100 volts. Those 3 battery protection chips from Xysemi are connected in parallel for overvoltage, undervoltage, and overcurrent protection. Here is the power button. This is the FPC connector for connecting the flat cable with the whole element. The multiple magnets around the edge can attract the spider, and the least wire of the charging coil can reduce the thickness. Well, that's all components of this Baseus 20 watts magnetic mini power bank. The ultra slim design with a premium texture makes it an excellent choice for a short trip. And with 15 watts wireless charging, you can even charge your phone without a cable. Okay, that's all for today's video. Feel free to click the corners to check the teardown of other Baseus products. And you can also find a link in the description to buy one if you're interested. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!